Times. I'm the Light Round Cramer. The report calls me saying the stock started by myself. So of course, I'm going to tell my staff person to begin playing some. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Dad? Tell me the lightning round. Crazy. Let's start with Tony in Florida. Tony.
Hey, Jim, I just want to give a shout-out to your team because they're wonderful. You know, even though you couldn't get on Friday, they got me with you today, and I really appreciate what they do.
That's fantastic. Thank you. Thank you for saying that. Thank you. What's up?
The stock I bought last month, and I bought it, I think, at almost a high, but I thought it was going to break out, but I don't see why it can not make it. It's a retail company, the REIT company. They have a lot of leases with everything in Vegas, with Caesars and Venetian, and they even have 33 acres. Maybe they could put a little park on there. What do you think about VICI Properties? Should I hold it?
They have some Canyon Ranch, too. Look, I think it's fine. You got a 5% yield, so it's a little bit better than Treasuries. It's a well-run company. I'm not going to set the world on fire, but it's fun. Let's go to Chris in Texas. Chris.
Booyah, Jim.
Booyah, Chris. What's happening?
Hey, ever since I've moved to Dallas, Philadelphia's always been my team, and I love the Eagles. I love the Phillies.
Really? Well, thank you for that. Man, you're an outpost, a lonely outpost there. How can I help you?
And I own Zscaler for over 5 years. I've had a very nice profit. However, this year to date, it's down about 22%, and I'm wondering if it's time to sell.
I think Jay Shoulders doing an okay job. The two winners in this segment, Palo Alto, which we own for the trust, and then I got to tell you, CrowdStrike's coming right back after that coding problem. So I like those two better than I do Zscaler. Let's go to Guy in Ohio. Guy.
Booyah, Jim. How are you tonight?
I am doing well. How about you?
Well, hanging in there, my friend. My question is about the STMicroelectronics. It had a high of 51.27 this year and a low of 27.45. Right. And I got into the down point at $35. And I was curious what your thoughts on them were.
I think it's fine. I prefer Micron. If that great quarter that Micron just had is still not getting the respect it deserves. Go to Melissa in Massachusetts, please. Melissa.
Hi, Jim. This is Melissa from Westfield State University.
Oh, great. Thank you.
I have one question for an in-class assignment. I was wondering if it is worth investing in a couple of shares of Crown Castle.
Crown Castle is just okay. It's not that well run. It's got a decent yield of 5.6. I would not chase the stock. It just had a nice move up. I don't want to be there. Let's go to Gabe in Texas, please. Gabe.
Hello, Mr. Cramer. How are you tonight?
I am doing well, Gabe. How about you?
Not bad, not bad. My question is about the stock Schlumberger with the ticker SLB. Is this a buy?
Sure. SLB has not gone up nearly as much as I would have expected, given the fact that oil's up. I would buy the stock right here. It is the best of breed. James in California. James.
Yo, Jimmy Chill, booyah, and go Birds.
Go Birds, man. Yeah, I like them. Looks like those Browns uneven.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, uneven.
I know you've recommended this stock in the past, but with the pending class action lawsuit against the company and with the steep decline over the last year, is New Fortress Energy a buy under $9?
I am shocked at how low that is. This Wes Edens, he is so good. It's down so, like 3/4, like down like 75%. I think that you have to stick with it. I've been wrong. I've been wrong in New Fortress because I believe in Wes so closely. I'd love Wes to come back on the show. Let's go to Eric in Michigan. Eric.
Jim, I love the show.
Oh, thank you, buddy. Thank you. What's happening?
I'm calling on Rocket Company. They've had a solid earnings in the past 12 months when rates were elevated.
True.
I know it's had a strong run up in the past month, but with the Fed cutting possibly 2 more times this year and into 25, and the refinancing boom that's about to hit, can you see the stock going to $25 a share?
That would not shock me at 17 to 25, given exactly what you described. The answer would be absolutely. I think you could do that, and it's a very well-run company. Let's go to Jim in Texas. Jim.
Hey, how are you? Long-time viewer, first-time caller. I have a position called Tetra Technologies, Tetra Tech.
Well, you are a smart man because that is infrastructure and is just kicking butt. A lot of people wish they had that stock. You have done very well, sir, in finding that one. Tetra Tech is remarkable. And even at 38 times earnings, I got to tell you, I see people still buying it. Doesn't seem to slow them down. I would take a breather, but it's been a great one. Let's go to Tom in New York. Tom.
Hello, Jim. Nice to talk to you again.
Same. What's up?
Okay. Jim, I have a question for you. I know you're a Dell guy, but
yes.
My question is on a little less known company, Pure Storage Incorporated.
I used to follow very closely Enterprise Storage. It does its job very well. It's actually had a good run here. I think I would hold on to it. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by Charles Schwab. Coming up, speculate like a pro. Taking a flyer is okay, but do it the Cramer way. Next.
Jim Cramer, the diehard of the dollar.
Hey, Jimmy, love the show. My 5-year-old grandson loves to watch your show.
I have to thank you for making us money when it's there to be made.
Our world is a better place with you in it.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.